In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add admins to Onshape Professional or Enterprise. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and definitely you'll need to go up to cat.onshape.com and then log into your account like you usually would. Definitely here, you'll need to head over to the right hand side where you'll be able to see your username or your name. Definitely here, you'll need to go down to My Accounts. Now once from here, you should be doing something like this. Now from here, you'll need to head down to Team section down here. And from here, you'll need to create either a new team or you'll need to find a specific team that you want to add an admin for. Once from here, you'll be able to click on it like so. Then from here, you'll be able to see add team members either by email or search team members by their name or email. Once from here, you'll simply need to go up to the email section over here, enter in the specific email that you want to add as an admin. And then from here, once you do that, you will simply need to head over to where it says member and then change member to admin. Then from here, you'll simply need to click add. And then from here, they'll appear down here with the same way that you will have your name down here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!